You little ripper. You little choker. Come on, let's work our way back over this way a little bit. There you go. All right, turns. I want to see turns. There you go. Way to go, buddy. Come on, let's go out this way.
Hey.
You're in the grass, buddy. Did I put you in the grass?
No.
No way. Stop! Whoa. Oh man, almost all the way to the bottom and you wiped out. You okay, buddy? Yeah? Okay. Here, let me help you out. I gotta shut this thing off. How about that, huh?